The roar of 4 cylinders for just 34999 Yuan. Is this a new revolution in the motorbike market or a death trap? The QJ Race 600 RS is currently the most talked about name among riders. It is being called the price butcher. But for new riders, is it truly a dream come true or a mistake? In today's video, we will reveal the truth behind the scenes of this bike. If you are thinking of buying a new bike, the next few minutes might just save your life. Recently, one name has been appearing repeatedly in motorcycle forums and rider groups, the QJ SRK 600 RS. The main reason for this excitement is its price. An inline 4-cylinder bike in the 600cc class for just 34,999 Yuan or $5,000 is unbelievable. For those who have just received their license and dream of a sports bike, this is now the most tempting offer. The special symphony or sound of the 4-cylinder engine has been beautifully captured in this model. But the question is, should beginners buy this bike just for the sake of its sound? The bike is essentially at a 600cc level. Although attempts have been made to keep its engine tuning somewhat calm or stable, its limits in power can be quite challenging for a novice to master. Experts say the biggest test for new riders is their right hand, and that is throttle control. When a 4-cylinder engine reaches high rev ranges, the immense speed or push it generates can cause inexperienced riders to easily lose control and fall into danger. It's not just a question of the bike's power, but whether your muscle memory is ready for this massive force. As for the tech protection, with the help of modern technology, efforts have been made to make the QJ SRK 600 RS quite user-friendly. It features a slipper clutch, which reduces rear-wheel skidding during gear changes and gives the rider peace of mind. Additionally, attempts have been made to add electronic supports like a traction control system, TCS. These systems can act like an invisible coach, helping to protect you from major danger. However, remember, these technologies will only assist you. They will not ride the bike for you. So, which one is right for you? According to information from sources, riders are divided into 2 categories. Number 1, steady beginner. If you have prior experience riding smaller bikes, follow traffic laws, and your goal is mainly weekend riding on mountain roads, then this bike could be a long-term and powerful companion for you. Number 2, impulsive beginner. For those who are just learning to change gears or want to race others on the road, this bike can be dangerous. The advice for you is, start with a 250cc to 400cc class single or twin-cylinder bike first. This will allow you to learn riding with less risk. In conclusion, a good bike doesn't necessarily mean it's a good choice for a novice. The QJ SRK 600 RS is undoubtedly an excellent machine in terms of price and performance, but it requires responsibility to ride. The identity of a true biker lies in safe riding and following traffic laws. What do you think? Will this bike for 34,999 Yuan or $5,000 or slightly more find a place in your garage? Let us know in the comments. Ending today's news here. Stay safe, ride carefully.